After their successful Run 2018, 7-Eleven is back with the Run 2019.
7-Eleven Run 2019 would be our 7th race for the year, and we are looking forward to have the same in 3 locations: Manila, Cebu, Davao, in 1 gunshot, simultaneous race, and the top 3 Filipino male-female best time will be representing the country for the 21-kilometer, 32-kilometer, and the 42-kilometer.
The event initially started as the Run 800 of Manila in 2013. Now, the event happens simultaneously in Manila, Cebu, and Davao. For Cebu, the run will start in Cebu Business Park and have 10 categories.
The beauty of our 7-Eleven Run series is that the race course is a mixture of fun and competitiveness. We're talking about starting from the 500 meters for kids, 3,000, or they call it the 3K, the 5K, and the body run for 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10K bodies, 16 kilometer, which they call it the miler, 21K half marathon, 32K, and the 42K, which is the full marathon.
Other than the cash prizes and medals awarded to the top 3 of each category, the winner for the 42-kilometer category will receive a cash prize of 500,000 pesos and a chance to compete in an international Asian marathon. To register, runners only have to purchase 7-Eleven products from the Run 2019 sponsors in order to collect e-stamps equivalent to a registration kit.
They will be able to register at www.run711.com, and they just go in there and they can choose which race category they would like to participate. For all of the avid runners, for you to kindly participate our upcoming 7-Eleven Run this February 3rd or February 3, 2019.
Registrations for Run 2019 will be open until January 15, 2019. A different race opportunity awaits with 7-Eleven Run 2019. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Ryan Guzman.